Ukraine's armed forces try to gain a foothold on the left bank of the Dnipro River. British intelligence has said that the Ukrainian military have crossed the Dnipro River near the Antonivka Bridge near Kherson and are trying to gain a foothold on the left bank. UK intelligence noted that Ukrainian forces have almost certainly started to move to the left bank of the Dnipro River near the Antonivka Bridge since the 23rd of June. The fighting on the left bank intensified from the 27th of June. Among the Russian units stationed in this area are elements of the 7th Guards Mountain Air Assault Division, which is part of the Russian Dnipro group of forces. In recent weeks, Russia has highly likely reallocated elements of Russian Dnipro group of forces defending the bank of the Dnipro to reinforce the Zaporizhia sector. Combat around the bridgehead is almost certainly complicated by the flooding, destruction and residual mud from the collapse of the Kharkiv Dam on the 6th of June 2023. The Institute for the Study of War also reported that Russian troops have been unable to oust the Ukrainians, numbering up to 70 people, from their fortified positions under the eastern span of the Antonivka Bridge. This week, UK intelligence also reported that strikes on the bridges near Chonhar at the entrance to Crimea have significantly complicated logistics for Russian troops.